Hello everyone and welcome to my channel CS Mind Morsels. If you are preparing for UPSC and UPPSC and are wondering about the difference between the UPSC and UPPSC, you have come to the right place. Today we will have general idea about the exams. Firstly, let's quickly review what each exam is all about. Both UPSC and UPPSC conduct exams in 3 stages, that is prelims, mains and interview. After qualifying prelims and mains, you will reach to the interview stage. Now in prelims UPSC there are 2 papers, GS and CSAT. In UPPSC there are 2 papers, GS and CSAT. GS is paper 1 and CSAT is paper 2. Now the GS has multiple subjects, history, geography, polity, economics. As you can see, science and tech is also there and various other international organizations. Now the same focus is given in UPPSC. The same set of subjects will be in the UPPSC. Now the CSAT, that is paper 2, tests your analytical ability and decision making. Now the same focus is given in UPPSC. In UPSC, GS has 100 questions and CSAT has 80 questions. While in UPPSC, GS has 150 questions, CSAT has 100 questions. Now there are negative markings in both papers. Now GS has negative marking of 0.66 and CSAT has 0.83. That is for UPSC. While for UPPSC, GS has negative marking of 0.44 and CSAT has negative marking of 0.66. Meaning for every incorrect answer, 0.66 marks or 0.44 marks will be deducted from correct answer. Now the negative marking encourages candidates to be careful with their response. CSAT is a qualifying paper, meaning score from this paper is not included in overall merit. Candidates only need to achieve a minimum qualifying marks. But it is crucial to qualify CSAT because failing to meet 33% criteria will result in disqualification from the exam. Now moving on to the mains, which is where the real depth of preparation comes in. Now the UPSC has 9 papers and UPPSC has 8 papers. In UPSC, 2 papers are qualifying and 7 papers are considered for merit, while in UPPSC, 2 papers are qualifying and 6 papers are considered for merit. Now the qualifying papers are an Indian language and one is English paper. Both are of 300 marks each. Now in UPPSC there is one paper General Hindi and another paper is Essay, which are of qualifying and they both are 150 marks each. Now the merit papers are 7 papers in UPSC, which are of 1750 marks, and in this 1500 marks there are 6 papers, and there is one paper Essay paper, which are of 250 marks, and in this 150 marks. Now the general studies paper, there are 4 papers of general studies, 250 marks each. Now the general study paper covers history, geography, governance, polity, international relation, etc. The subject which you have already studied for the prelims. Now in UPPSC, there are 4 papers of general studies, of which 200 marks each. Now the papers are similar to UPSC but with added emphasis on Uttar Pradesh, regional issues and administrative aspects. Now the UPSC has 2 optional papers. One optional paper which is divided into 2 parts, 1 and 2, becomes 2 papers, 250, which are of 250 marks each. Now in UPPSC there used to be optional paper, but they have removed the optional now. Instead of that paper, they have included 2 more subjects, GS 5, paper 5 and GS paper 6, which are UP specific papers. So while the general studies paper have a similar structure, UPPSC paper 1 includes a more regional focus. Now that we have taken a general overview, we will start with the basic, that is NCERT. Thanks for watching and good luck with your UPSC and UPPSC preparation. Thank you.